Hi everybody, how you doing tonight? So I'm just out here with another campfire and enjoying it. Nice peaceful night. I wanted to hop on here quick and first of all I want to issue an apology and say I'm sorry to my few subscribers and loyal watchers that I wasn't able to get a video out last week. I apologize about that. So my good friend Brian Keys, he came over and we shot what I thought was an awesome video, just writing a short story, something he likes to do, and it was great. And I messed up and ended up erasing the footage. Yeah, so that happened. So I wasn't able to get out a video last week for you. I'd also like to shout out to Paul's Hardware and Bitwit for their 1,000,000 viewers. I know this is a bit late, and I did give the congratulations on the Twitters and stuff, but shout out to that, and also shout out to Jay's 2 cents for making 2,000,000 viewers. And also I saw the tweet on your new studio. Looks like it's going to be pretty epic. So just like to put that out there. And with that, let's get a little campfire action here. Is this when I get to make a joke about feeling the burn? Dad Jokes 101. So thank you very much, y'all. Continue to watch, subscribe, hit that bell icon. I am working on some more stuff right now. I'm feverishly trying to get the cooling system for the computer back up and running so that I don't lose more or erase more footage. So I am working on stuff. I actually have some unboxes, some new products, and some things that are going to make the videos even better, and some things that are going to be at least somewhat enjoyable, I guess, or informative slightly to watch. So things are coming up. So be sure to hit subscribe, hit the bell icon so you know when something's coming up, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good night.